David is a good friend of mine, and he had mentioned that he was working with the company, Multitaskr, and suggested if I was ever in the need of doing something in the back or the front to reach out. I received quotes from about 2 or 3 other different contractors. I would say that Multitaskr had a competitive price. So even though it might not have been the least expensive, it definitely wasn't the most expensive. And I just felt good working with a company that if there were issues, I was able to reach out to David as a friend and have him help me resolve the issue. But for the most part, that was never needed. I don't like doing anything myself. When it comes down to it, if I could have someone do the oil change the tires, I figure unless you are a professional, let a professional do it, so thus you don't have to do it more than once. The pavers definitely add class to the backyard, and that's the reason we'll be going through Multitaskr to do the entire front. I just think it makes it look classy. The synthetic grass, it's nice when I have the kids out here that I don't have to worry about them tracking in grass or the mud that sometimes comes with the grass or this and that. It's a nice, clean look. There was definitely some delays at times, but I also understand, I think in any type of work, when you're dealing with contractors, they're going to give you an estimate. For the most part, the contractor wants to meet that deadline, but I think it's important for the customer to know to be flexible within reason. And I think that you can't necessarily put a price on. And when everything was said and done, yes, I think it definitely was worth the price. There was always communication that put me at ease. So yeah, I would say the communication through and through was very good. It's nice that Multitaskr cares to hear what their clients' thoughts are months down the road, because I think it's very easy when everything is done and brand new and shiny. It's like, okay, we're good. Would definitely recommend Multitaskr. The crew that worked here, extremely methodical, consumed with the integrity of their work and to make sure that everything was done perfect. The overall outcome is far exceeded my expectations. So extremely happy. I mean, I got what I feel is the perfect backyard for our family.